Okay, we got a Marble 81 here. It's a hydraulic saw. 18-inch capacity. We're going to do a little cutting here. Show you. It does have a little stand here. Shouldn't say little, it's a fairly large stand. Single roll stand. Okay, we're cutting here now. It's just a piece of aluminum in there. We don't have the coolant on, so. It's got the manual dog style of, so when you set, you can see right now it's going to kick off here. As soon as it goes off past, there it goes. As soon as it gets past your material there, you can set your dogs to trip it off. Alright, we got a Marble 81.